when I'm going to be around a lot of people or in a meeting or in an airplane and I can feel my anxiety really kicking up, I do this simple technique. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. All you're gonna do is follow your ring finger and you come down your hand right to the wrist and you're gonna start doing little figure eights. Don't worry about the location. I use all my fingers to just do little figure eights. Bringing it to your heart is even more calming and soothing. I do this, move it to the other hand. This is a quick way to do it. You can have it in front of you. You can do little hearts in this area. This is your fight, flight, freeze response. We're working with triple worm or source point, which is all about our fight, fight, freeze, our protector. He's all about our survival. So just doing this simple technique can really calm your overall energies. Until next time, keep moving energies.